Hey everybody, now that you installed your Gotbackup application on your Android device, let's walk step by step how to start auto-uploading your data. This configuration usually works best if you just want to set and forget. So step 1 is, let's log into our Gotbackup account. I'm using a demo for this purpose. Here you will see your account name and the device you're trying to connect to. I am using a Galaxy S10. I'm going to click Grant Access. Since my account is brand new, I'm not going to have any files here. So let's start uploading. In this example, I want to upload my photos and every picture that I take on my camera automatically. By default, the camera pictures that I take on my phone are stored here. And to show you again, I'm going to go to my files and here's my folder path. Internal storage, DCIM, camera. And by the way, DCIM stands for Digital Camera Images. You've most likely seen this on an SD card from a digital camera. So I want to back these up and every photo I take with my phone camera in the future, automatically. How do I do that? I'm going to start by hitting these 3 lines on the top left. A side menu will then pop up and I'm going to come down to my settings. Here you're going to have a list of options for backing up your phone. As an example, if you like, you could choose to back up your contacts, your calendar dates, or you could choose to back up daily. You may be prompted to get access to your phone. When these gray little tabs turn blue, that's saying yes, I want this option. But in this example, I'm going to go ahead and just turn them off. Back in my settings menu, I'm going to go ahead and click Auto Upload. Here, you will be shown all the folders that exist on your phone. I just want to back up my camera folder, so I'm going to click on this tab and then Configure. I'm going to hit this tab on. It's going to show me my internal folder and the remote folder it's going to create on the cloud. Now, depending on your data plan, it's very important to check this upload only on Wi-Fi. And another thing, your initial upload will most likely be huge. So it is best to keep your phone on the charger during this process and do this overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and check only upload while charging. Yes, I want my existing files to be uploaded. You'll have the option to upload subfolders, which are basically folders within folders. I want my original file to be stored locally on my phone. And I want to be prompted if I have a duplicate file just to double check. I'm going to go ahead and save that and it's going to prompt you to make sure that your battery optimization is turned off. This upload process is very CPU intensive, so you'll need your full battery potential. My battery optimization is already turned off, but I'll go ahead and hit disable anyways. Now you'll see my camera folder has a blue cloud, meaning that it's ready to start syncing with my Gotbackup cloud. So let's go ahead and start. Now remember, your initial upload might take hours or even overnight. So as I mentioned, it's best to keep it on the charger and limit your phone use. On this top corner, you'll see this little icon, which means that the process is happening. Okay, my photos are now on my Gotbackup cloud. You have the option to view them as thumbnails or click this tab and make them in list view. And then this A to Z to sort by. Now I'm going to take a picture on my phone just to make sure that it's uploading automatically. Okay, here's my picture, and it's stored internally on my phone in the camera folder. Now, I'm going to go back to my Gotbackup cloud, and sure enough, there it is. It was uploaded automatically. So, this is literally a set and forget. And if you want additional folders to upload automatically, just repeat this process. It's as simple as that.